when me come the Prime Minister, boy, Andrew Wallace rascal, you know. Because he make me dog, me vote for him and then he make me hungry, that kill me and my dog. But now, look at things that go on, and Andrew, you know. And people from foreign fly down and say, Jeremiah, we see you, my boy. Walk on, me say, you make money off of me and you don't give me nothing. You man say, what you say? You man can't make a KFC. You man buy a box of KFC for me. Buy one for my friend. You man give me a blood clot pet bulldog for back of my yard. Foreigner do that to me. So see me and my dog in a KFC bucket here. My dog have been name KFC, you know. No KFC alone, you know. People alone, you know. So if I KFC and my dog down my yard, my little puppy, bull puppy. Right now. Because I don't want you, it's a one to run with a blood clot, you know. So I have to feed this one and work, take care of this one. You see man look for me? Alive? Him can't bark your fuck.
What's your name, bro dog?
No, Black Panther. Black Panther, see Black Panther in the bucket here. Tell him say a KFC, you know.
Jamaica now, man, please.